jam up the place. Good music live on for ages. Read me wine.
Alright, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. People, remember, if it's your first time checking out Jam TV, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way in. Alright, so in this episode, we have Vybz Kartel live show over there in Paris, people. World boss forward to the place and shell it to what me tell you, a crazy shellings in the building right now, people. I forgot check it out. We have a ton of highlights for zoom in pan and see how the world boss deal with it, family. May I tell you, it was a great performance, so I forgot check it out. Yeah, man, you know the world boss the farm already, Yeah, man, show after show. Epic performance after epic performance. So we're gonna check out that one here and see how it forward. We also have video shoot with Aidonia and Iwaata over there in New York, people. Yeah, man, the gen of them dip on the ground and I shoot a bad video one night time. So I forgot check it out. We also have new tune from Lisa Hype and Eddy Bomba and family. Wicked piece of combination, So I forgot check out that too as well and see how that sound. We also have reason from Beanie Man ex-band member, people. Dwayne Morris. He must say, yo, Kartel right now at the Dancehall Bob Marley. So I forgot check out the reason there and see how forward to the conclusion. They say me I did. But first, we'll kick it off with the World Boss Show over there in Paris. Got you, my G.
Where are we?
We're in Paris.
Where are they?
Ron Robin. The kids here.
Which one is this?
What you say? Fever! Why you put on it? I want more. When you look back at you, I mean that is fine. But they whisper, me give the fire fever. Look, girl, have a pussy, power. Grab it, let go, quick, lower. Grab it, let go. What them say? Tattoo, color. Me people a back on the bones in the day. Color bang, alaman, yalla party, baby. Give me what? Turn it up then. Action, somehow you got extra, forget me not. When it's sweet, yo, what you say? Fever! Yo, vibes in the baby, everything first. Look, when you pose for your end, you're not dead. Why don't? Like a she's spent little 12 left legs that mash up in head. You know what Karen do? She sissy, wicked, sushi, biggie, ramen, Paris, river, body. When she's done, tell her, sorry. And when she's done, she have to say, me the people the boss in the people the pop. Say the best for the pop. Turn it up there, no? Action, somehow you got extra, forget me not. When it's sweet, you, what you say? Fever! Why you put on it? Wine in the baby, everything cause my good love make you turn and twist. Why you put on it? Wine in the baby, my good love make you turn and twist.
Encore, 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 yo, people, it was an epic performance. Talk through the man, yo, him got in at the song, you know, people, like I said, the word boss, did I enjoy himself over there in Paris, cause you know, so yo, it was one of the last stops them in Europe before everything, you see me? Now him can return and deliver a wonderful set again, just like before. Oh gosh, man, big up to the word boss and them team, you know, so next stop now in England for the Wireless Festival. How craziness I go on this again, you know, yeah, man, people. So you don't know how to stay tuned, you see me? So now we are check out Iwaata and Aidonia video shoot over there in New York. Bad piece of shoot are going, you know, people. Check out the clips.
Hello. Hold it. Oi, oi.
So that Aidonia and Iwaata in a family live over there in New York. Them a shoot a new video for them tune Never Basic, produced by Triton Music. Bad piece of track. If you hear the rhythm wait a bounce pan a while ago, you can see so the rhythm tough and the lyrics them connect. Aidonia spit some crazy lyrics one night time, you know. Yeah man, if you want to check out the full official audio, you can circle Iwaata Vivo, dip on him channel and get a listen. Yeah man, bad piece of track. So now we are check out Eddy G Bomba and Lisa Hype in the studio craft up a new track to one night time, you know. It sound like it have a vibe because you don't know Eddy G Bomba. You have the hot lyrics them one night time too, you know. So hear it sound.
Let them come around and drain the energy. Alisa for the dancehall, we gotta put it in. AKA Christina Blanco, AKA Shakalan, AKA Lisa right there. Yo, ladies, them not tell us say that money and the crib on me line, make it burn that ceiling that the same. Graveyard trees with the artist. They do ya live your life while them a feel a dream. They live your life, they drag out the door, walk people with you fight. Lisa, Lisa, yeah, they were high, with a day with me time. But for my physics to a bad speech, for the first best to a city to a
Remember, no one to think about that one, the family. Eddy Bomba featuring Lisa Hype. At the collab this, so we never know what we need. Cause me nah lie, it have a sound, it have a vibe. The part that Lisa use up her vocal range and go in a track and say, we are living life. And then Eddy just fall in and start DJ. But me nah lie, me rate how it sound. It have a vibe. If it them catch it right and mix it and master it the real way, it can run in the street and probably catch a feature. You know, it can go on the real way, people. Me nah lie, me love how it sound. Remember earlier we promised a reasoning from one of Beanie Man ex-bandmate them from Dwayne Morris himself. He must say, yo, right now Vybz Kartel at the Dancehall Bob Marley. So we check out the reason and here it go.
You mentioned it earlier. Do you really think people think dancehall is dead in some way?
I've heard that from my own, from people in my own genre, in terms of producers and certain more established entertainers.
Just like how football need a Messi, need a Ronaldo. Just like how cricket did have a Brian Lara. Just like how basketball have a LeBron James or Michael Jordan. Or American football have a Tom Brady. And the same way music need a champion. Reggae is global because we have a champion. He named Bob Marley. Hip hop is global because they had a champion named Tupac. And them have Biggie. Pop music is global because they had a champion named Michael Jackson. The list goes on and on and on. Dancehall, I think, is finally a genuinely global brand. And this is going to sound so controversial, because I think we finally found the Bob Marley of dancehall, which is Vybz Kartel. Now, I'm not taking anything away from anybody in the genre, because remember, you have a million footballers, but you only have one Messi and one Ronaldo. In every sport, you have a million players at the same thing. We have a million, we're a whole heap of reggae artists, but one Bob Marley. We can fight all we want. Dancehall has finally found its Bob Marley, which is Vybz Kartel. Don't forget, it's just the other day people say dancehall dead. When I realize that dancehall is now in some spaces that it has never been before. Don't get it twisted. We don't talk about pop dancehall, because pop dancehall has always been commercial. Shaggy and Sean Paul has always been in certain spaces. But the ghetto youth them, the downtown youth them, the youth them we are singing about girl and raw music has never been in some of these spaces before, ever. I remember say a whole lot of people fight very hard to make sure say them not in a them certain space. And they can't tell me because I know first and enough to me go up on the Beanie Man where I have to sit down in a bush pushing a hotel because the tour cancel, our shows cancel, because people are make sure so we not playing at certain venues. Have you guys been seeing the venues them the dancehall are playing?
Do you agree with him, that's a family? We say Vybz Kartel at the dancehall Bob Marley, because based on what him achieving in the past few months, where him take dancehall from to where him carry it right now is a great accomplishment. It's a great feat, and it not take a normal individual for pull off where Vybz Kartel pull off. Hear me tell you, whole heap of work him put in for can ensure that dancehall music dep on the level where they right now. So we can definitely see the comparisons as to why him would have said that. You see me I did? Yeah, cause just a few months ago, a lot of people would have say, yo, dancehall music dead, it a recede, you see me? Because Afro music and how it a ascend on the US market and the looking what Afro beats it get. But right now, Vybz Kartel put back dancehall on the forefront there, put dancehall in the stadiums them, put dancehall in the arenas them. So we definitely have to commend him, and we can see say, yo, it a grow. So we want just continue on the pace there, if we can take it to the heights of the heights and see what the level where we can carry it the real way, you know? Yeah man, so if you make it through to the end of the episode, we just want to big up and tell you thanks for watching the entire vlog, people. Yeah man, stay tuned for your next episode from the channel, man.